Hey y'all, IRIX Guy here, and this is the Ring motion sensor that came with the Ring Alarm Pro. So I got this in 2022, so it's the current one at the time of filming this. But if you get the Ring motion sensor tampered air, you might have encountered the same problem that I did with mine. So I've mounted mine on a wall. What you're going to want to do if you get the tampered air is pop your Ring off of its base, your Ring motion sensor, and pay close attention to this piece here. What this piece does is pushes the back of the Ring motion sensor, and if you've got your screw on this side especially too tight, which I used a power drill, probably should have hand tightened, just loosen that screw a little bit, and what that'll do is it should enable this little tab to better penetrate the rear of the Ring motion sensor. So once you do that, you put your motion sensor back on, that Ring motion sensor tamper or Ring motion sensor tampered air within the Ring app will likely go away. Now, if it doesn't, what you may also want to do is remove the batteries from the Ring motion sensor, wait 30 seconds or so, put them back in, and see if that fixes it. If that doesn't fix it, what you'll want to do is get you could use like the tip of an ink pen or pencil or whatever, and actually depress the back of the Ring motion sensor while you monitor within the Ring app to see if manually depressing that button causes the tampered with to go away. If it does, then that's probably a good indication that your Ring motion sensor is probably okay, but the root cause is that little pin in there that's on the mounting bracket is probably not depressing that piece. So in that scenario, you may have a defective mounting bracket. Maybe that piece isn't long enough, or maybe it's chipped off. But anyway, I hope this video helps, and hopefully it saves you a lot of grief. If it does, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. If you've got Ring questions, I've become quite familiar with the ecosystem. I love it. And subscribe, check out my Ring videos playlist, and if you have specific questions, just ask, and I'll try to answer. And if you're shopping for Ring, expand this video's description, and then click the link there. You can find it all there. And really appreciate your support. It's a great system, but like most technology, there's small quirks like this that you got to figure out, and the only way to figure it out is to have experienced it and then also found the solution. So thanks for your viewership. Oh, and if you're really happy, you can click that thing down below. It says super thanks or thanks, and you can choose to support my channel. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.